Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I have a headlight restorer kit to show you. Now, I know it doesn't look like much, but believe me, there's supposed to be ceramics in that bottle there. Ceramic coating. Now, I made a few notes on this because, I have to, and I'm going to be restoring a lens of some sort. Uh, yes, headlight restorer kit with ceramic coating. This cost me $13.99 on Amazon. Yeah, usually I buy a lot of stuff on Amazon. Removes oxidation, yellowing, and haze. Long lasting ceramic coating resists UV damage, scratches, and fading for up to 12 months. Universal for all vehicles. Works on plastic and polycarbonate. Uh, let's see. It is the Ningbo Borboleta Technology Company Limited. In Hushan Town, Guangzhou, China. And the serial number for this is, oh, there it is there. And I'll read it off. X004UAD3RT. Hopefully you can get that there. I don't have a thing set up on my channel just yet to have you actually just click on the link, but maybe one day I'll figure that out and I'll get that set up. So here is the lens I'm going to be using. It was one I bought at Buck's Auto Parts. There's the B, and it was for. It's got some scrapes and scratches, and really good scrapes there if you can see them. And it's kind of foggy a bit, and I'm going to try to make it look a lot better and newer. But it's got some really deep scrapes right here. Now, this kit only gives, which is amazing, a 30. So let's open her up. And yeah. So this kit's bottle has leaked. So that's probably not good. Oh, let's hope. Okay, there's still some inside, so we're gonna go with that, and we're gonna go with these. It's only 3,000 grit sanding pads, so we're gonna see if 3,000 grit will take this out. But if it doesn't, and since I want this to look good, I will. Got a nice scratch right there too. I never saw how deep that one was. Wow, and a bunch here across here. Oh, a couple over here. Okay, I can take care of all that with this kit. We're hopeful. We are hopeful. So, first, I'm going to try to get these deeper ones out. And if it doesn't do the deeper ones, then I am automatically going to switch to some sandpaper that will do it. Because I want it to look good, I don't want it to look this foggy and crappy looking. So, yeah, I'm going to really try to get these out. There we go. See, look at that. I'm doing counterclockwise. Oops, switch to clockwise. Wow. I know, people didn't think I had that kind of dexterity to be able to do that. I think I would fall down if I did that or something. Well, sometimes I might. And I want to sand these out. There's a deep one right here, too. Luckily, this is clear. I don't know. I'm going to say clear plastic. I don't know if it's polycarbonate or plastic, but yeah. It's really actually working. I am shocked that this 3,000 grit is doing such a good job. Well, I've been sanding for about 10 minutes, so let's see what we got. Let's see here. Wait for it to dry off here. Here, dry off. Yeah, like my blowing's gonna help it any. Well, it took that one out here. Still got a little here, but it took that one out. This little sanding disc doesn't feel like much when you touch it, but you sure can sand with it. And come on, let us get this thing dried off here so we can take a look. You know what? I still see a couple right here. One right here. I don't know if you can on the camera. Oh, I still feel them too. I feel them right across here. So I am gonna sand some more. So you don't have to watch that. You really don't. So as you can see here, it is sanded. Another 5 to 10 minutes on her. Had a good go at her. Now I just gotta let her dry off and we'll check it again. I am gonna sand this whole thing, by the way, not just the parts that are not looking great. The whole thing will be sanded for sure. So it is dry now. Let her dry for 10 minutes. And yeah, I don't see the scratches anymore in here at all, even though I'm going to resand this whole thing with 3000 that I have. And hopefully I can get these scratches out. Some of these are a bit deeper. Like there's one right here. It's pretty deep. I don't know if you can see it. And I'll see if I can get that one out. If not, not too big of a deal. I am trying to use just the sanding discs that came in the kit. But you know what? Running my hand across it now, I don't feel those scratches. I feel a deeper one right here, and right here there's a pit. But other than that, it's looking pretty good. So yeah, it looks like I'll probably only have to sand it with the 3000 and then put the coating on. So next will be me sanding the whole thing. And I hope you enjoy that. Maybe I'll do that in, we'll see what happens. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I got 2000. I'm going to sand it with 2000. I know I was just going to use the sanders, the small sanders from the kit, but I think I'm going to use 2000. And there are some deeper scratches here on the side. I want to take care of those. I don't want to go over this again after. So I'm going to take care of those and get that hopefully done. And hopefully I won't have to go over it again. So you know what? I think I'll just put this in fast mode and let you see me go at it. Add some music or something. And you can see all my hard work. So there we are. I'm just going to give her another quick wipe down. I'm just using water on here. I don't want to put any solvents or anything on here. You know what? This thing is not working very good, this rag. I'm going to grab another one. I had some Mighty Brand paper towel. That'll soak up the water. And then we'll get a nice look at her. She looks pretty good. Like, it's dull, but it's not terrible. I don't want to touch it with my fingers before I put the ceramic coating on it. Well, at least that's what it says it is, right? Ceramic coating. So, how does she look? I just touched that with my fingers, but I'm not gonna. That scratch that was right along here is gone. There is a line right here, but I think it's a processing line that is in the process. So this actually looks pretty good. A little scratch right here. I couldn't get deep enough to get it, so I wasn't going to. But the original, what we were hoping to get, was across here. And it was across here where we had those deeper scratches, sanded those out. Well, this thing looks pretty good. And I can't wait to get the ceramic coating on it, but I'm going to let it dry for 20 minutes or so, and then we'll get at her. So there we go. It's been like 20 minutes. It's pretty dry now. It looks good. It's nice and cloudy. Here is the ceramic coating. The let's see, Headlight Restore Coating, ceramic coating. It says right here. This thing's pretty still full, but it did leak. And here's the top. That was all that was sealing it. It seems, actually no, because there was a seal inside here. I don't want to open that over the product. And this seal had a little notch in it that was broken. I just peeled up some more. So yeah, it leaked a bit. But we have this little applicator here that we can put it on the applicator. I don't know how much we're supposed to use. Probably about that much, I'm guessing. And we're just supposed to rub it on like this. And try to get it all on here. Before it dries. This thing's looking nice. I gotta say, it's looking nice. And here, on this side, you can't see. Let me turn it here. It's looking pretty good. I think I gotta add some more. Seems to not be going as good as it was. There we go. There, that's better. And there we go. So, oops, hit the camera. I'm not gonna try to touch that. And it says 1 hour. Here, let me read the instructions first before I say anything here. So it says on this, where is it? Right here. Don't touch in 2 hours. Don't touch water in 3 days. So technically, you can touch it after 2 hours. So I'm going to put it away for 2 hours, and then we're going to take a look at it, and we'll see what kind of a job it did. So in 2 hours, I'll be back. 1 day later. Am I getting better at that? But 1 day later, yeah, I forgot to look at this after 2 to 3 hours yesterday. It's been sitting in a nice hot room drying, but you know what? It's still got a kind of a stickiness to it, but it is dry. But yeah, it's still kind of, look at this. This thing looks great. Yeah, this isn't a new one. This is still the one with the, see, there you go. It's still got the Bucks one. And wow, this turned out amazing. Amazingly good. That ceramic actually worked just fine. I'm actually shocked how well it worked. But, that kit, let me get it. See, I don't think so much the kit, but the actual ceramic that you put on here is actually really nice. It actually smoothed out, became very clear. And sanding it with the 2000 grit, I'm sure it helped. And then going over it like crazy with the 3000 discs in here, it actually, I'm shocked how well it actually looks. Like this thing It's pretty clear. A little dust there. I got some dust on it. Ah. Oh well. But it looks very good, and I'm actually quite happy with this. It got rid of all those scuffs here, and the scratch that was along here. It's gone. It just looks wonderful. That's all I'm saying. So this kit actually worked out really fine. I have another one to test. It'll be coming up next couple of weeks. It's kind of inside stuff I got to do while I'm suffering through this winter here in Manitoba. So a lot of inside stuff. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And if you want to pick that kit up, it's not that expensive. I think it was like $13.99 for me in Canada. It's probably cheaper for anyone else who is living south of Canada. And it's probably, actually, it was a really good buy. I'm shocked it works so good. I'm just going to let this dry now for like 2 to 3 or 4 days, sitting, and keeping the water off of it. So keep her dry. But thanks for watching.